Hello guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. So this is how the inside of that looks like. Revolution Conceal and Define. When you open it, you have the shades right here. Let's talk about the packaging. Like I said, it looked like the concealer, so they gave it the same packaging with the concealer, so it looks like this. So this is the packaging. I like this packaging, it's nice, it will be easy to apply. So I'm going to, that is 13.5, 13, 13.5 and 14. So I'm thinking I'm going to mix 13 and 13.5 to see, because I don't know right now, they're looking a bit off. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty primer, the mattifying primer. Thirteen and 13.5. I'm in love with the one. It's amazing. So I'm going to blend with the Technique Brush Crush. The coverage of the foundation is nice. That is one thing I'm going to talk about. Look at my face. I applied a little bit of F14 on the side of my face, then blend it all over. This foundation oxidize, so it might look ashy on camera now. I don't know how it's going to look like when I finish my makeup. That is what I am saying. I like the formula of the foundation. I still feel the shade range is a little bit off. It's off, not a little bit, it's off. It's off for people like me, because I am, look at my neck, like I'm golden. I have golden undertone. C12.5 and C13. So I'm going to use this for this super size conceal and define concealer, which looks like this. It's the same formula as the old one, just bigger. So if you have not seen the review of this concealer, I'm going to link it up here. So this is 12.5. I really like this concealer. This concealer is amazing. The fact that they came out with a big one, like, I need to clap for Revolution right now. Like, somebody take a bow for Revolution for me. They are killing the game. And the campaign of the foundation, amazing. That is how you do a campaign. You don't just think that it's young people that wear makeup. Like, if you see the campaign picture, look at that. Look at the campaign picture. You can see different people, different shade, and different age group. That is how you sell a foundation. Like, Revolution did good on this campaign. They did really well. I'll quickly set that using Sacha Buttercup. So now I'm going to contour my cheekbone. F17 is going to be dark. Look at that shade. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. I love this shade for contouring. It's cute. It's really nice. I like it. To bronze, use a CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer. Let me finish up my eyes quickly. Fenty Beauty eyeliner. My face powder by BH Cosmetic. I've never dusted off the powder. My face is looking really good. The Marble Desque facial spray. I'm going to use this mascara by Thrive Cosmetic. Lashes by La Page Trend. This blush by LA Color. I'm going to take that blush. I'll just use that on my crease a little bit, just here on the crease. So for my under eyes and to also like fill up my brows a little bit, I'm going to use the Pure Minerals brown product. But this one has a eye product too. So it looks like this. It's like two-sided in a way. I bought this from Tiki Mask. So guys, I'm going to use this eyeshadow pigment. I'll leave the name on the video at the description bar. I'm going to use this highlighter by Rehab Beauty. I'll just take the Fenty lip gloss. So guys, this is the completed look. This is how the foundation looks on my face. It looks really flawless, I'm not going to lie. And the way I balance the whole shade, it actually matches me now. That is what I say. We don't know how the end is going to look. So when you finish doing all your contouring, powder, setting, everything, now it looks good. It looks like my shade. But when next I'm going to try out this foundation, I'm going to use the shade 13.5 and 14. I suggest to Makeup Revolution, if they ever watch this video, they need to work on the shade range a little bit more, because I don't have my exact shade. That is the problem some people are going to have. So that is it about the shade. But the quality of the foundation for an affordable foundation is top class. The finishing is beautiful. The way it blends, flawless. Look at my face. And this foundation is just £9. £9. And it looks this good for now. I don't know how long it's going to hold for for now. The concealer, I already know what the concealer is bringing. It's flawless and looks good underneath the eyes. For now, I like it. All details will be at the description bar of the foundation. If you have this foundation, let me know what you think at the comment section. And if you are going to buy this foundation, let me know your thoughts on it. Like watching this video, how do you feel about it? Tell me at the comment section. Let's just gist about it. And yeah, for now, this is how my face look. I will see you guys very soon. Okay, stay tuned. It's 9:45 p.m. and I've been wearing this foundation since around, let's say, 11:30 to 12. Yeah, I think so, almost to 12 or 12, I can't remember now. But so I've had this foundation on for close to 9 hours. Yeah, let's say 9 hours plus of wearing this foundation, and I must say the foundation is holding up well. It's not bad. That's what I'm going to say. Don't mind my lip, like forget about this. Let's just think this is not existing right now. Okay, if I blocked this makeup, I can still wait for another 2-3 hours. If I'm at a party now, I just blocked my face like this, I can just change my lipstick and I'll still be looking flawless, excluding the pimples. The only way I can use this foundation instead of using F13 and F13.5 is to use F13.5 and F14. I think that would be the only way I can use this foundation. Let me try it. Conceal, blend. You are watching this live, so it's not like this is live. You can see. So the final shade of Jojo Fine 01 is F13.5 and F14. So 2 shade. We don't have 1 shade. We have 2. Because we can't use 1 and leave 1. We are going to look grey. So Revolution, please try and work on the shade range a little bit more. We know we are asking for too much. I understand. I feel your pain. But please try and work on the shade, like the undertone a little bit more. I know you cannot satisfy everybody. So I'm one of those that can't find the right shade on this foundation. But let's not take anything away from the formula. It is good. If you can't buy the foundation, buy the concealer. You're still going to like it. Okay, that was the end result of the foundation. I want to tell you guys, thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not seen my previous Makeup Revolution video, I will link it all at the description bar. For the concealer, for the stick foundation, for their eyeshadow, for their makeup, like I always mix Makeup Revolution to my day-to-day makeup because they are quite affordable and they are killing the market right now. Mostly in the UK, they are making affordable comeback and they are really trying for people that can't afford high-end makeup. So check all those videos out at the description bar. If you have any question, like I said, ask me at the comment section. I will see you guys on my next video. Remember what I always say, be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remain blessed. Bye guys.